Today, we've got some thrilling news for you. GoPro has just announced the Hero 13 Black, and we've got the scoop on the latest design, specs, and features. Stay tuned for the details. Design: the GoPro Hero 13 Black features a refined design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. This latest model is sleeker with a more aerodynamic build, making it ideal for capturing smooth, high-quality footage, even during fast-paced activities. The streamlined design not only improves the camera's ability to cut through the air, reducing drag, but also contributes to its overall modern and compact appearance. Weighing in at just 158 grams, a Hero 13 Black is lightweight, ensuring that it won't weigh you down during your adventures. Its dimensions of 71.7 x 50.8 x 33.6 millimeters make it small enough to fit comfortably in your hand or mount on various surfaces without being obtrusive. Durability is a key focus in this model. The Hero 13 Black is more rugged than ever, built to withstand harsh conditions. Whether you're scaling a mountain, diving into the ocean, or biking through rough terrain, this camera is designed to endure. It's waterproof and shockproof, giving you the confidence to take it wherever your adventures lead. In essence, the GoPro Hero 13 Black combines a sleek, lightweight design with enhanced ruggedness, making it the perfect companion for capturing your most epic moments, no matter how extreme the conditions. Processor and image stabilization. The GoPro Hero 13 Black introduces a new, more powerful processor that significantly enhances its performance. This upgrade is crucial for enabling the latest version of GoPro's signature image stabilization technology, HyperSmooth 7.0. Processor. The upgraded processor in the Hero 13 Black is the backbone of its improved capabilities. A faster and more efficient processor means the camera can handle higher data rates, process images quicker, and run advanced algorithms with ease. This translates to better performance overall, including smoother video playback, quicker startup times, and more responsive controls. Image stabilization. With HyperSmooth 7.0, the Hero 13 Black offers its most advanced image stabilization yet. This technology uses the new processor to analyze motion data from the camera's sensors and adjusts the footage in real time to eliminate shakes and jitters. Whether you're skiing down a mountain, cycling on rough terrain, or simply walking, HyperSmooth 7.0 ensures your videos remain steady and professional looking. In summary, the combination of the new processor and enhanced HyperSmooth 7.0 technology and the GoPro Hero 13 Black means you can capture high-quality, smooth footage in virtually any situation, giving your videos a polished and cinematic feel without needing external stabilization tools. Sensor and battery life. But that's not all. The Hero 13 Black has a larger sensor for better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and potentially better image quality overall. Plus, improved battery life through a larger battery or more efficient power management means you can keep capturing for longer. With up to 40% longer battery life, you can capture more moments without worrying about running out of juice. App and features. The revamped app is more user-friendly, stable, and packed with features. Enjoy a more seamless editing experience, improved time-lapse, night-lapse, and live streaming features, and potentially some exciting new additions. With the new app, you can edit your footage on the go and share it with the world in seconds. Release date and price. So when can you get your hands on the Hero 13 Black? Based on past trends, we're expecting a September 2024 release date. And as for the price, expect a premium over the Hero 12, but unlikely to break the bank. With a price tag of around $499, this camera is an absolute steal. That's a wrap. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is shaping up to be an epic action camera. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to capture your next adventure like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more news and updates.